Imagine guys, if minutes from now you could start getting paid big fat $1,000 sales straight to your bank account from hungry buyers that can get enough to your services. On top of that, imagine if you had access to the $2 trillion plus industry that is thriving in the current economy, so you could get virtually unlimited and top-it sales 24 hours a day. Finally, imagine if you could press a single button to have red-hot offers blasted directly to your customers' screens, complete with a notification ping. So guys, today we have a review of the NFTVerse. So basically guys, I will show you what is the NFTVerse, the pros and cons, the sales page, the live demo, and my honest review at the end of this video. Without any further guys, let's get started. So guys, first, what is the NFTVerse? NFTVerse turns you into the next crypto king and the metaverse. Literally, overnight, new software called NFTVerse has just been realized that will allows you to literally click a button and generate your own storefront on the metaverse. This storefront creates, mints and sells NFTs and mines crypto for you 24 hours a day. It brings millions of visitors a day, and it's zero work, future proof, and requires no technical know-how to all. That's right guys, if you can open this software, that's all you need with the NFTVerse to become the next NFT crypto millionaire. NFTVerse lets you tap into the metaverse digital gold mine without investing or trading your own money, and my personal favorite, with zero technical know-how. So guys, this is the sales page. Design, publish and sell unlimited NFTs for low one-time price. Brand new metaverse software lets you create and sell unlimited NFTs and Bitcoin on the blockchain without minutes, and all with zero coding, zero trading, investing, and zero experience. And this is guys some features of the NFTVerse. Create unlimited NFTs from scratch with one click, mine Bitcoin and trade crypto in the metaverse. Type into the 10 billion metaverse Zuckerberg beat before it goes mainstream. 100% cloud based, no coding required, no need to buy, invest or trade any crypto. Commercial license included, which is great guys. Charge other people by the hour to create their dream NFT, set up their metaverse shop or mine crypto for them. Smart contracts technology, your NFTs, crypto and meta stores are 100% your verifiable properties. Unlimited free and SSL encryption protects you. Premium miner included, get your NFTs and crypto published on the blockchain. Step by step journey included guys. 100% newbie-friendly, no technical know-how or coding required, no monthly fees, pay once, use forever, double your money back guarantee, and 24 hours 7 days a week. Support from marketing gurus, and there is guys only 3 steps to use the NFTVerse. Step number 1, log into their stunning cloud-based software. There is nothing for you to set up, configure any coding involved. You don't even need to have a crypto account, invest or trade. Step number 2, use their DeFi templates, set up your metaverse shop, mint Bitcoin and create the NFT of your dreams. Use for yourself or client, commercial license is included together with smart contracts that certify your ownership of the NFTs, Bitcoin and the metaverse stores you create. And finally guys, step number 3, sell it all for crypto riches. It's only take one click to cash out, create and sell your dream NFTs, mine and sell Bitcoin and the largest exchanges, and set up metaverse stores for local businesses and charge them a monthly maintenance fees. And this is the sales page guys. Like I said, you can scroll all the sales page and see a lot of informations and details about the NFTVerse. So guys, now let's see the NFTVerse from inside. Like you see guys, this is some collections already made by the NFTVerse. It's so simple. This sample collections guys made thousands of dollars daily on the OpenSea, which is basically a marketplace of the NFTs, which is the popular one. Like you see guys, $42,000 for just one picture which is this. And this is another, guys, another collection, successful collection of the Coleman's universe. Like I said, guys, these people made thousands of dollars, and this is, guys, the NFTVerse from inside. Like you see, you have a bunch and hundreds of options and stickers you can use to create your own NFT, which one clicks. You have the bubbles, the stars, transparency, doodles, and a lot and a lot. You can create the same collections they have, which one click and one button. So basically, guys, it's just a drag and drop. Like you say, drag and drop your favorite sticker, doodle, animal, cloud, everything you need, which one click, and customize it at what you want exactly. Also, guys, there is the lines, the brush. Also, guys, there is the features, and this is, like you see, guys, you can also upload your photos and pictures to use it here. And for the minting, guys, this is the steps you will choose and you will follow if you want to mint your favorite NFT you just created. You can connect your wallet here. Of course, guys, you need to pay some gas fees, which is very, very important. And this is the contract, guys, you just created. And for the price, guys, so basically, guys, you will get the cloud-based software creates unlimited NFTs from scratch, publish your own metaverse stores with one click, mine your own very own crypto coins. One click creators gets your NFTs. Drag and drop edit lets you to make everything with zero coding involved, plus search it down for your NFT and metaverse templates in any local and online niche. Commercial lessons, guys, smart contracts technology, premium mentor include gets your NFTs, crypto and metaverse assets published on the blockchain, built and training to get your NFTs published and generation plus $1,000. Sell unlimited NFTs and Bitcoin without trading or investing your own money. 24 hours white glove support. SSN encryption, guys, keeps your NFT, crypto and metaverse assets secure. And SEO optimization gets your NFTs on the top of search result. All this, guys, value it at $9,958. You can get it today, guys, for just $16.93, one-time pay, no monthly fees, and of course, guys, you will have a 30 days money back guarantee if you face a problem using this product or you don't like it at all. So, guys, it's going to be a huge advantage to whether you get there first, and NFTVerse lets you type into this digital gold mine without investing or trading your own money, and my personal favorite, guys, without zero technical skills at all. Plus, members have seen using it's already to crash it at $1,000 monthly metaverse revenue. Local businesses, guys, I work with are blown away by how many metaverse storefronts I can get set up for them with the NFTVerse. You can pay one-time lifetime, and then you get charged them monthly for creating and managing NFT portfolios for them. It's perfect, guys. The software just works at very level, from newbies to entrepreneurs to professionals. Just use the bridge and set up Wither, and you can have your own crypto and NFTs minted in minutes. The link in the description below, and I will much appreciate it, guys, if you use it, because I will get a small commission. That's it, guys. This is your friend the crypto. Sorry, the orange Star was with you guys, and see you later.